Home Remedies presents
3-ingredient recipe to lower triglycerides. Detox your arteries. Today we look at how you can lower bad LDL cholesterol and detox your arteries with 3 natural foods. I will share with you a recipe for a drink made with these 3 ingredients. This drink is packed with nutrients that help break down unhealthy cholesterol and clear your arteries, perfect for aiding your journey to a healthier lifestyle. If the arteries get clogged, it can lead to a permanent health issue. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. Here is how to prepare this drink. Ingredients: 1 gallon 4 liters of clean water, organic lemons 8, organic garlic 8 cloves, 1.9 inches 4 to 5 centimeter of organic ginger. Instructions: thoroughly clean the lemons by scrubbing the rind, but do not peel them. After you slice the lemon, peel the ginger and garlic. After you crush the garlic, let it sit for 15 minutes. This will activate the allicin, which is a powerful and medicinal compound that gives garlic its benefits. Add all ingredients to the blender except for the water and pulse until smooth. Now add the water and blend it. Once done, strain it. Pour your drink into glass jars or bottles with lids and store them in the fridge. How to use. For best results, drink half glass daily on an empty stomach 2 hours before meals.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.